In this video, we'll explore the creator settings in ConnectSafely.ai. On the creator settings page, you'll see your linked account with the option to enable auto-commenting for targeted creator engagement. You can either select a persona you've already created or create a new one to match your engagement style. ConnectSafely offers multiple posting options to fine-tune your engagement strategy. You can tag post authors, enable engagement checks, and choose to skip hiring posts, update posts, or article posts based on your preferences. Now, here's the key feature: adding creator profiles. You can manually add a creator by pasting their LinkedIn profile URL directly into the creator URL field. Alternatively, ConnectSafely.ai provides a convenient Get Suggestions feature, where you can discover and select from a curated list of popular creators in your industry or niche. Once you've configured your preferences and added your desired creators, simply click Save Settings. With creator settings, you can strategically engage with influential voices in your field, building meaningful connections and expanding your professional network effortlessly.